Can I get Apple TV on Firestick? Yes, the Apple TV app is available on Amazon Firestick, allowing users to stream Apple TV Plus content, purchase or rent movies, and access their existing Apple library. Installing the app is simple and requires an Apple ID for login. 1. Compatibility with Firestick devices. The Apple TV app is compatible with most Firestick models, including Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Stick 2nd and 3rd Gen, and Fire TV Stick Lite. Older models may not support the app. 2. Installing the Apple TV app on Firestick. Users can download the Apple TV app directly from the Amazon App Store on their Firestick device. If the app is not pre-installed, it must be manually added. 3. Signing in with an Apple ID. To access Apple TV Plus content or purchase movies, users must sign in with their Apple ID. Those without an Apple account can create one during the setup process. 4. How to install Apple TV on Firestick. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and go to the home screen. Step 2. Navigate to the Find or Search option. Step 3. Type Apple TV in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Apple TV app from the search results. Step 5. Click Download or Get to install the app. Step 6. Open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. 5. Watching Apple TV Plus content. Once installed, users can watch Apple TV Plus shows, rent or buy movies, and access personal libraries. The app also supports 4K HDR streaming on compatible Firestick models. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If Apple TV does not work on Firestick, try the following. Restart Firestick and reopen the app. Update Firestick firmware and the Apple TV app. Sign out and log back into the Apple TV app. Uninstall and reinstall the app if it crashes. 7. Alternative streaming options. If the app is unavailable on your Firestick, you can cast Apple TV content using AirPlay from an iPhone or iPad to a Fire TV compatible device. The Apple TV app is fully supported on Firestick, providing access to Apple TV Plus and purchased content. By following simple installation steps, users can enjoy seamless streaming on their Firestick devices.